Hello. Now we're gonna start lezginka class. We will learn basic work. Okay, how we do it? The first thing that you need to understand is how to count. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, or we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it. We do step, touch. Now we do step with the left leg. Step, touch, step, touch. If we need to calculate it, look how we do it. This is not 1 and 2. This is 1. So if I want to do 4 steps, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when you do all your movements, make it in a fixed way. Keep your back, keep your chin, you know, you need to be very fixed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You see, I really do it in with a force. You cannot do it in a relaxed way, so you should be really fixed. Now we will try to move 8 steps forward and 8 steps back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we see that our right leg is on touch position. Now we need to go back. It means that we will make our first step with right leg. So we do 1, touch, 2, touch, 3, touch, 4, touch, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so another thing that you can use is you can do 1 forward and 1 back. So it will look like we do 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this case, you don't move. You do it just on your same place. Okay, if you do step, touch, it means that you should make your next step with the leg that is on touch position. Step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we will do hands. Look at hands. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. You hide them. 1 and 2 and. If we connect them with our legs, we do 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So you should understand where is 1 and where is and. 1, touch, 2, touch. So if we do it faster, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we try to do it 1 forward and 1 back, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, now we will go back. When we go back, we will use fixed hands like this or like this. Okay, we were moving forward. Let's imagine we did these movements and we finished. So let's try it. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, our hands are hidden. Now we will go back. It means that we will change our hands position like this. So you see, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we will do 8 steps forward and back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will try it with music.